You're not ready for this. Seriously, what Mercedes has done with the 2026 GLS isn't just evolution, it's revolution. On the outside, it's elegance. On the inside, a shocking surprise that redefines luxury SUVs forever. And wait till we pop the hood, because this beast moves like no full-size SUV should. Trust me, you're going to want to watch this till the end. Let's start with that jaw-dropping exterior. One look and you know, it's a Mercedes. But this isn't just another facelift. The bold front grille, flanked by razor-sharp LED headlamps, screams authority. Every chrome detail, every sculpted line, every aerodynamic curve feels precision-engineered to turn heads, even at a standstill. Redesigned LED taillights and a sleeker rear bumper give the GLS a modern swagger that's impossible to ignore. But then you open the door, and it hits you. This isn't an SUV, it's a rolling luxury lounge. Real wood, ultra-soft leather, and ambient lighting set the mood the moment you step in. 3-row seating comes standard, but opt for the second-row captain's chairs. And you've basically got a private jet on wheels. And here's the twist no one saw coming. The tech. A massive dual-screen display merges your digital dash and infotainment into one futuristic command center. It runs on the latest MBUX interface. Fast, fluid, and freakishly smart. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a Burmester surround system, multi-zone climate control. It's like Mercedes built the GLS to spoil you. Under the hood, this machine is all business. Choose the turbo inline 6 with mild hybrid assist for silky smooth power and solid efficiency. Or go full savage with the twin-turbo V8 that launches this luxury liner from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour like a sports car in a tux. And yes, it comes with 4 MAT, IC, all-wheel drive, and adaptive air suspension. So the ride is buttery smooth on highways, trails, or anything in between. But here's the kicker. Safety doesn't take a back seat. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, blind spot assist, emergency braking, all standard. Mercedes didn't just build a luxury SUV, they engineered a masterpiece of intelligence and power, starting around $88,000 and worth every penny. So, is the 2026 GLS your dream SUV? Hit like if it gave you chills, drop your thoughts in the comments, and smash that subscribe for more reveals that go beyond the brochure. This is luxury, leveled up.